Why did the Chida, Rav Chaim Yosef David Azulai, travel so much? And what rabbinic ordination document of his remains extant?
Yeah, so the Chida was a student of the Ar Chaim HaKadosh, the Holy Ar Chaim. He lived from 1724 to 1806, and he spent 5 years representing the communities in Eretz Yisrael, which is where he hailed from originally. He was given the job of basically fundraising and raising awareness of the great need that the settlements in the Holy Land had, and he had the ability. I don't know if it was if everyone would appreciate being away from home for 5 years and traveling around the globe to places as Egypt, Italy, Germany, Holland, England, France, Sicily, Rhodes, Turkey, Syria. It sounds like a very arduous journey for one to make, especially before the jet age and before you had kosher food wherever you wanted it. I'm sure it was a very difficult 5 years of his life, but he did much more than make the best of it. He was able to explore many of the great libraries in these countries, and he had a photographic memory, and he was able to write down a lot of the important books that these libraries had. That if not for his notations, we probably would not know even many of the books that exist. And he published them, and along with biographies of the Gedolim, and many of the Gedolim in a book called Shem HaGedolim are encounters that he had personally on the journey that he made in those years. He met many people, and his impressions of them are invaluable to Jewish historians. And when he was in Italy, when he spent time in Italy, he met a wonderful student who was a very diligent student, very brilliant student. His name was Rabbi Avram Yonah, and he gave him smicha, not just a normal Yora smicha, but a yadin, which is a higher level of smicha, which entitles the recipient to actually judge court cases, Jewish law cases, be a dayan. And it's a magnificent copy of an original smicha with a crown on top, illustrated, and it's a wonderful, wonderful keepsake of the Chida that we have in our possession.